Hey guys, this is Gage here at Ceramic Coat Texas, and today I want to talk to you about a few categories of vehicles that really benefit from a ceramic coating. Check this out. Trucks and SUVs. Big vehicles like these have more space to get dirty, but a ceramic coating helps keep them looking better by reducing dust and grime buildup while protecting against contaminants. Here in Texas, the truck capital, with our coatings, your truck will shine brighter than the rest. Off-road 4x4s. Hitting the trails in your Jeep, Bronco, or truck? Just know off-roading can take a toll on your vehicle's finish. A ceramic coating provides a layer of protection against dirt and mud during your off-road adventure, so you can hit the trails with ease. Plus, ceramic coating helps maintain the vehicle, so a little detail after your adventure will be quick and easy. Exotics and imports. High-end vehicles deserve premium protection. These exceptional vehicles often feature unique colors and top-tier paintwork. Our ceramic coating is designed to preserve and enhance your finish, ensuring your incredible car continues to look stunning long after it leaves our shop. Recreational vehicles. Owning an RV or custom camper van means having a home away from home that deserves lasting protection. These vehicles often are put in outdoor storage and are exposed to harsh elements. Our ceramic coating provides a critical layer of defense against damaging UV rays and harmful contaminants, preserving your vehicle's finish. Whether parked or on the road, your RV or camper van will look its best for every journey ahead. New vehicles. We can't emphasize this enough. If you get a new car, that is the best time to get a ceramic coating. When you're done at the dealer, bring it to us to preserve that as close to perfect factory finish. If you're located in the Austin area and have a vehicle that we can help protect and enhance with our ceramic coating, you can go to ceramiccoattexas.com to get a complimentary quote from our team.